Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your FedEx tracking shows international shipment release import, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what it actually means. So this particular status actually means that your package has cleared customs in the destination country. FedEx submitted the shipment to the customs authority and it has now been approved for entry. Release import confirms that there is no holds or issues with your package. So this particular thing is a positive update and it is not a delay. So once your shipment is released, FedEx is going to take control again for the final delivery processing. The package is moved to the local FedEx facility and prepared for the last mile delivery. Then tracking will usually update to at the local store or on the way or out for delivery, etc. So after this particular message, the delivery is going to basically happen within 1 to 3 business days. So in most of the cases, you don't need to do anything. But if customs duties or any tax apply, FedEx may contact you for the payment. If the tracking doesn't update for more than a couple of days, you can check with FedEx support using your tracking number. Otherwise, your package is already on its way to you. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.